I received this 8K camera drone as a gift, and in this video, I'm showing the full experience from unboxing to flying it using both the controller and the phone app, and then showing some of the photos it captured. Right out of the box, this drone comes with a remote that has a built-in 4.5-inch LCD display, which is really nice because you don't have to rely only on your phone to see what the drone is capturing. It also includes 3 batteries, which is a huge plus because you can swap them out to extend your flight time instead of having to stop after just one battery. This drone features an 8K camera, and in this video, I show the photos I captured so you can get a real idea of the quality. It does a good job capturing wide shots and giving you a different perspective compared to just filming from the ground. You can control it using the remote or connect it to a phone app, which gives you additional controls and lets you view and manage your footage. It also has features like GPS positioning, auto return, and obstacle avoidance, which helps make flying a little bit easier, especially if you're newer to drones. The auto return feature is nice because it can bring the drone back to you if needed. In the video, I go through the unboxing, getting it set up, and actually flying it so you can see how it performs in real use. Overall, this was a really fun drone and some nice features like the built-in display, multiple batteries, and different control options. It's a great way to capture photos and videos from a completely different angle.